Hi guys, today I've got this easy low messy updo for you. To start, I've left out some hair to frame the face, and I've just popped the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Next, we're just going to divide this ponytail in half, and I've taken a clear elastic band and popped on 2 bobby pins. So we're going to take the right hand side of that ponytail and hold it against the head, slip one of the bobby pins underneath the ponytail. Now pull the elastic band up and over that ponytail, and we're going to twist the bobby pin around so it crisscrosses the first one. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now I've taken up a hair donor and I've cut it up, and I'm just going to reshape it into a nice round bun shape. I'm going to hold this in the middle of that ponytail, and using a few bobby pins all around the outside, I'm just going to secure this to the head. Now starting on that left hand side, I'm going to take a small section of hair, twist it towards the head, and I'm going to bring it up and over that padding and pin it to the right hand side. Slip a bobby pin through the centre of that twist to keep it from moving about. Now we're going to do the same on the right hand side, so take a small slice of hair, twist it towards the head, and then we're going to bring it over to the left hand side of that padding and secure it in place. And we're just going to repeat these steps from left to right until all of the sections are used. Don't worry about still seeing the padding, because we're going to sort that out later. Okay, so when you've used up all the hair, you should have a little bit left over, and again we're just going to twist this towards the head, take it to the opposite side and kind of pin it underneath the padding. Apply some texture spray all over the bun. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And to start, I'm just going to loosen up the hair on top of the head. And then again, working from left to right, I'm going to pinch and pull at each one of these twists to make them more voluminous. Make sure you hold on to the pin so it doesn't pop out. Once you've got everything pulled apart as you like it, we're just going to secure these twists to the padding with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.